What's up, YouTube? It's MNQ Scalper Mom coming at you with another recap video. Happy Friday. We finally got through July. We're in August now, so hopefully everybody made a great start to the month and a great end to the week. So let's just look at what we had going on today. Pretty nice price action. Right at the open, we shot up. We had some strong consolidation, a huge tug of war between the bears, the bulls, and the bears to win out. No, unfortunately, I did not take that trade, but that would have been some great risk to reward. And then again, we continued to shoot down, came back into the 9 EMA. That would have been a wonderful 1 minute goal line trade. Shout out to Bob Anderson. We came on down. So I didn't take that trade. We had a little consolidation, and I did notice this particular pullback into the 9 EMA. However, I didn't take it because of so much consolidation here. I did not want to take that, and the pullback is still just kind of right at the low. So I did not take that one. Okay, we had another pullback here. And this time we have more space because I do like there to be space from the low somewhere to actually go to. So I did take this signal bar here. And unfortunately, this bar was so volatile. And I had a really accurate entry here right below the signal bar. That was my entry, this purple arrow. But this bar was so violent that it immediately came and took me out before I could even move my stop loss in the proper place. So because I don't know if y'all have Ninja or not, but even if you have your ATM set, I think I only had mine set, my stop loss set for 20 ticks. So depending on the volatility that's involved in the market, it could just be too close, and you know, I just got taken out too quick before I could allow it to, before it could move. So I lost that trade. I thought I'd won it, but I lost it because the bar came down so far. I mean, surely I would have won the trade easily, but I didn't. So now I think I did go in and change my stop loss to 50. So that'll give a little bit more room when there's so much volatility in the market. So it was a rookie mistake, but yeah, that was my rookie mistake. But I've made an adjustment, so using this at the open, I just needed more room. So we'll try out the 50 ticks next week and see if that helps. Okay, so moving on, my next trade was here. After a lot of back and forth and consolidation. Let's see, where was this? I don't know why I have this tool so long. And the trade was literally like right here. All right, so, I mean, this was textbook. We had a big impulse move up. We followed the 9 EMA, so that would have been great for whoever caught the reversal here. But I did not. But we went right through the 100. No action there. But we went through the 200. This is the 200 I have on my chart. We came back down here, so this did provide an entry. We had a little consolidation. Finally here, I use this as a signal bar. I mean, obviously I could have tried to get in on some of these other bars, but I didn't get in until here. I don't know if I didn't notice it until then, or I felt like this was a good signal bar. Obviously I probably would have been stopped out had I gotten in on any of these, but this was my signal bar. Had a wonderful entry, and everything was already set for the 1.5 risk reward. So after a little consolidation, I actually got up and went away because I just did not want to sit and stare at the charts. So I got up and I think I prepared something for my son. I don't know. I did something, but it was a walk away type trade and it hit. So, oh, wait a minute. This is not where it hit. Okay. Where is this supposed to be? Oh, okay. Why am I so confused? Okay. Entry. Oh, look, y'all. Entry here. Okay. I'm sorry. Entry here. All right. There we go. And we hit here. Stop. Yes, perfect. There we go. Entry, stop loss, 1.5 risk reward here. So this is where that extended to right there. All right, so that was my second trade. Everything went perfectly. So I was so happy. So I ended up being green, made $93 on that account for the day, this practice account. Here's my Tradezella. So first account, I lost $27. First trade, I lost $27. Second trade, I won $120. So that is what's going on with this account. Just to see where it is, this is the account I have been using since I started working with my trading coach. So it looks like the 1.5R is good. It's working out nicely. There's just so many mechanics that I need to work on. And I'm so happy that I am working on these small details, like making sure my automated strategy is correct, making sure my risk reward tool is correct, focusing on looking for the proper setup. If it wins, it wins. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It's okay. But just doing that same process over and over again is helping me so much. Looking at my journal for today. Let's see. Yes, traded one account, only 3 micros. Followed my entry criteria. Yes. Followed my exit criteria. I followed my exit criteria on the first trade. I just didn't get out quick enough, but I'm going to say that's still a yes, because it's not like I made a conscious effort to do something outside of my plan. I just didn't get to it quickly enough, but I think I followed the procedure. It's just more of a mechanical situation. So if first trade wins, stop. First trade did not win, so I went on to my second trade. I only did 2 trades, so that was great. What I improved upon today. So what did I improve upon today? I will say today I was much more patient and focused on taking a defined setup. Now, changes I need to make going forward. I needed to allow more, I will say, space for my stop loss in my risk. No, it's not my risk reward tool. It's in my automated strategy. Stop loss was too close today and knocked me out before I could move it due to market, I'll just say due to strong market volatility. Okay, easiest money trade of the day, definitely that 9 EMA bounce. That was the best trade of the day for sure. Right off the open, I mean, that was just such a good trade. Overall, how did I do? I did great following the rules. I only took 2 trades and I only used 3 micros. I'll say that I am continuing to practice my process and improve it as needed. Okay. Also today I made sure that I had all these things in place. These are my other little daily checklists. It's not so much about the trade itself, but it's just about rules for the trader, things that the trader needs to do. So for me, that's setting up my guardian angel trader to make sure things like my daily loss limit is set, and make sure I can only trade the micros, I can only trade MNQ and not NQ on this account, making sure I can only trade 3 of the micros and not make a mistake and trade 5. So that's really helpful. So I make sure to double check all these things before I start. Exercise before trading, that's something I do most every day. I don't have an exercise on Wednesday, not a formal one, but do some type of pre-market preparation, which kind of involves all of this. Sometimes I look at the daily chart and just look at the market overall. So double check that ATM settings in NinjaTrader, double check that risk reward tool to make sure it's on 1.5 risk reward. So I did all those things. So I think all in all, it was a great day. I think I finished strong for the day, finished strong for the week, finished strong going into the month of August. So I hope everybody has a wonderful weekend. Take some time away from the charts. I'll probably do some back testing this weekend. That's one thing that my coach wants me to do. He wants me to back test this 1.5 risk reward, all in, all out, for the last 3 months. So I plan on doing that. It may be something I record as a tutorial, or maybe it's something that I'll try to do live with you guys. So we'll just see. If not, everybody, please have a great weekend, and thanks for joining me on this journey. Catch you on the next one.